Ta-da!
I'm just trying to experiment with the surface.
Oh, sure, yeah,
and
sure.
to see if I think that actually on the tarmac you get a more useful sort of squeak.
We might get a squealy sound.
If
That's...
If we wanted it. Let's do a couple more of my... Do you want me to do one when I just drive away?
Yes, and just keep
so
going.
Get the perspective.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me do a good sort of half a dozen. Same thing in first, that's right.
Please, that'd be good.
Oh!
So the way we approach the sound for animation is very different to the way you approach the sound for live action.